I'm gonna show you how to force open a lock with a lockpick gun. Now the crazy thing about this is that it's relatively cheap to buy and takes almost no experience to use. You can break open most locks out there. Now what I have in my hand is a clear, see-through pin tumbler lock. And as you can see, there are pins right here. Now if you don't know how a pin tumbler lock works, I'm gonna quickly explain it so you understand how this lockpick gun actually works. So in this shaft right here, you have driver pins on top and key pins inside. Now, if I were to insert the key to this lock, it's locked, you can see all the pins inside will align correctly to where it's perfectly straight with what's known as the shear line and allow you to turn the key and basically open up this pin tumbler lock. So we're not gonna open up with a key though, we're gonna use the lockpick gun. Now, in order to do this, you need what's known as a tension wrench. So if you look over here, in my lockpick set, I have this. Now, just like a key applies tension when turning, this is what's gonna simulate that. So let me go ahead and explain how to insert that. So you wanna go ahead and take the tension wrench, apply it to the bottom, just like that, okay? So next, you want to apply very, very light pressure with your finger, just like so. See that?
Yeah, I see it.
Now again, you know, the best lock pickers have a very, very light touch. Next, you want to know that there's, on this lockpick gun, there's a dial here, basically a wheel you can rotate. Now, when you rotate up, it gets lower, and you rotate down, it gets higher. Basically, what's happening is the lockpick gun is snapping. Every time you shoot the gun, it's gonna snap the pins. And you know how the key goes in and aligns perfectly, it's just gonna snap it, and hopefully on the way down, all the pins line up correctly to where you can open up the lock with relatively no skill. So, and just to give you an idea of how strong this is, if I were to use this as an end, you can hear how strong this is. Listen. That's literally how strong this is. So the next thing you wanna do is first you want to dial it to the correct setting. And you can dial it down and up if it does not work. Sometimes it takes a few tries. So once you apply your light pressure here, you would insert the pick. Now I'm doing this. Let me just look real quick. So, yep, see it right there. So it's in. Now it's very important that you don't touch the walls. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay, so once the pick's in the keyway, don't touch the walls. Now, one tip I have here is that in order to find the clearance, all you have to do is push up. And if you see the pins wiggle, that's how you know you're in the right position to basically shoot the gun and open the lock. And here's the crazy part. This is the thing that makes this really crazy, that anyone can buy this, right? So watch, all I have to do is press here, light pressure, and look, again, the lock is locked. Watch, I feel it. Feel that the pins are here, and then, ready? Oh, see? Just like that.
Oh yeah, they're all lined up.
They're all lined up, the lock's open. Virtually any lock can be opened with this. I do not condone you use this on locks that you do not own. This is only for educational purposes.